Ever feel like running a small business is a constant dance with a stack of receipts and late-night spreadsheet battles? Yeah, us too. That's why so many entrepreneurs turn to QuickBooks, the accounting software giant promising simplified finances and peace of mind. But hold on a second, is QuickBooks really the accounting utopia it seems? While there's no doubt it's a powerful tool, every program has its downsides. So, before you dive headfirst into the world of QuickBooks, let's take a peek behind the curtain and explore some of the cons you might not hear about in the commercials. Cons number 1. Built for simplicity, not scalability. QuickBooks is fantastic for small businesses starting out. It's user-friendly, helps track basic finances, and automates tasks like invoices and reports. But what happens when your business explodes? If you experience a surge in transactions or multiple employees needing access, QuickBooks can start to groan under the pressure. Limited file sizes and user restrictions might force you to upgrade to more expensive plans or even consider switching software entirely. Cons number 2. Industry blind spots. QuickBooks is a jack of all trades, master of none situation. While it covers general accounting needs, it lacks features specific to certain industries. Construction companies might need advanced inventory management. E-commerce businesses could crave seamless integration with online stores. If your industry requires specialized tools, QuickBooks might leave you wanting more. Cons number 3. Reporting restricted. QuickBooks offers a decent selection of reports, but those seeking deeper insights might be disappointed. Customization options are limited, and generating reports that paint a truly comprehensive picture of your business health can be a challenge. For businesses needing highly detailed financial analysis, QuickBooks might not provide the level of information they crave. Cons number 4. Integration issues. Running a business often involves a complex ecosystem of tools. Customer relationship management, CRM, software, marketing platforms, and project management solutions. The list goes on. QuickBooks integrates with some popular options, but the connections can be clunky and require workarounds. If seamless data flow between your various business tools is a priority, QuickBooks might not be the smoothest operator. Cons number 5. Security concerns. Data security is paramount for any business. While QuickBooks implements security measures, there have been concerns about data breaches and the potential for manipulation within the software. The user interface's ease of use can be a double-edged sword. While it makes things simple for legitimate users, it might also make it easier for someone to tamper with your books if they gain access. Cons number 6. Customer support maze. Need help navigating QuickBooks complexities? Getting in touch with live customer support can be a challenge. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, often relies on online resources and forum communities for troubleshooting. While helpful, it might not be ideal for situations requiring immediate assistance from a qualified professional. QuickBooks is a strong contender in the accounting software realm, but it's not a magic bullet. Understanding its limitations can help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. For small businesses with basic accounting needs, it can be a fantastic tool. But if you have specific industry needs, require robust reporting, or crave seamless integration with other platforms, you might need to explore alternative software solutions. Remember, the best accounting software is the one that empowers you to manage your finances effectively. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, and don't be afraid to shop